Hello guys, welcome back to Vigora channel, and today I'm gonna discuss some other biochemical tests other than the IMVIC. So let's begin our lecture. In today's lecture I'm gonna discuss three biochemical tests: oxidase test, urease test, and catalase test. These tests also used for the identification of the microorganism. So first is oxidase test. Oxidase test is used to detect the presence of an enzyme known as oxidase. It is produced by certain bacteria which will reduce the tetramethyl p-phenylene diamine dihydrochloride. In the positive test, there is a development of purple color which indicate the test is positive. So there are some organisms which give oxidase positive test and some give oxidase negative test. Pseudomonas vibrio cholera and Neisseria species give positive oxidase test, and Salmonella and Shigella give oxidase negative test. So how we do this test? This is the picture of oxidase test. As you can see, this is the strip, or you can say simple paper or filter paper. So there is a development of purple color. So this means the test is positive for the organism. If the color doesn't change, that's mean the bacteria is oxidase negative. So इसको हम करते कैसे हैं? हम एक स्ट्रिप लेते हैं या कमर्शियली अवेलेबल ऑक्सीडेज डिस्क भी आती है, उस पर हम डायरेक्ट जो हमारा कल्चर ऑर्गेनिज्म है उसको हम डायरेक्ट उस पर रब करते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ द इनोकुलेटिंग लूप. अगर उसमें कलर चेंज हो गया पर्पल कलर, दैट्स मीन वो ऑक्सीडेज पॉजिटिव है. अगर कोई भी कलर नहीं हुआ चेंज, दैट्स मीन वो ऑक्सीडेज नेगेटिव है. सेकेंड इज यूरियस टेस्ट. Urease is a major organic waste product of the protein digest in most vertebrate and that excreted in the urine. And some microbes have ability to produce the enzyme urease. And urease is a hydrolytic enzyme which attacks the carbon and nitrogen bond amide compound with the liberation of ammonia. This test will be performed in the Christian's urease medium. So what we do, we just make a slant of this medium. So and after the solidification we will streak that organism of our interest. अगर उस मीडियम का कलर आफ्टर इंक्यूबेशन ऑफ 24 to 40 आवर्स उसका पिंक कलर हो गया मीडियम का, दैट्स मीन the test is positive for urease. If the color changes to yellow, that's mean the test is negative. So Proteus and Klebsiella give urease positive, and E. coli and Salmonella species give urease negative. This is the picture of urease test. As you can see, there is a development of pink color after the incubation. This means the test is positive, and there is a development of yellow color. That means test is urease negative. So basically urease is used for the gram negative bacteria, mainly for the identification of the Proteus species. Third test is catalase test. During the aerobic respiration, in the presence of oxygen, microorganisms produce hydrogen peroxide, which is lethal to the cell. An enzyme catalase present in some microbes and that break down hydrogen peroxide to water and oxygen and help them in their survival. So this is the reaction. As you can see, this is the hydrogen peroxide and this is the catalase enzyme which convert hydrogen peroxide into the H2O, and there is a release of the oxygen from that. So this catalyst test can be performed in the trypticase soya agar, or we can perform it directly on the slide. We use 3% hydrogen peroxide for that. What we will do, first we will prepare trypticase soya agar medium, make a slant of that, and after the development of colony we will just pour 2 to 3 drops of hydrogen peroxide, 3% hydrogen peroxide. If there is a development of air bubble, means release of oxygen, that means test is catalyst positive. और दूसरा मेथड इसको कैसे कर सकते हैं हम, एक स्लाइड लेंगे, स्लाइड पे हम हाइड्रोजन 3% हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड की ड्रॉप रखेंगे, देन उसमें हमारी जो कॉलोनी है उसको मिक्स करेंगे. अगर वहाँ पर तो बबल प्रोडक्शन हुआ, मीन्स ऑक्सीजन रिलीव हुआ, दैट्स मीन दैट द टेस्ट इज कैटलिस्ट पॉजिटिव. The Staphylococcus aureus give positive catalyst test and Streptococcus lactis give negative catalyst test. This is the picture of catalyst test, slide catalyst test. As you can see, there is a production of bubble, means that is catalyst positive, and there is no development or no O2 production, mean that is catalyst negative. So these are three biochemical tests which we also do for the biochemical or the identification of the microorganism. So hope you will like my video, and please do subscribe my channel and like my video and share my video. Thank you for watching my video, and please do subscribe it.